Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing my March favorites. Why is this year going by so fast? Like, what the heck? So to be honest, I didn't really have a ton of makeup favorites throughout the month of March because I'm going to share with you why I really wasn't wearing that much makeup throughout this month. But if you are interested in hanging out and just chit-chatting about favorite products, beauty, random skincare, hair, all that kind of stuff, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump into the video, if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. Just a little side note, if you hear like background noise, breathing, music, anything like that, Johnny is right here playing Mario Kart. So I told him to try and be quiet, but just in case, you might hear him. So the month of March has been quite a hectic month. Zoe had to get emergency surgery. If you haven't seen my update video or haven't been following my vlogs, I'm going to leave the update video in the description or in the cards for you guys if you want to check that out. But long story short, Zoe had blockage in her intestines and she had to get emergency surgery, so we had to do that, and that was like a whole crazy ordeal in itself. And it's been a few weeks now and she's been healing really nicely, but then earlier this week, right when I thought like, wow, everything is like getting better, like we're getting back to our normal routine, her belly starts to swell up and she gets a fever, and I'm like, oh my gosh, what's happening? So we have to bring her back to the emergency room to see what's up. Basically the doctors gave her some more medicine. They said she had like a suture reaction and her fever, so she's on antibiotics, and we also got her probiotics that she's taking now with all of her meals. So hopefully we can just get everything in order and back to normal. It's been very crazy. So I haven't been out of the house at all, haven't been going to church, I haven't been going anywhere. I have just been home with Zoe taking care of her all month. So there's been very, very little amount of makeup I've been wearing. But the few times that I have worn makeup, I have been obsessed with color. As you guys have seen, I did like a fun St. Patrick's Day video, like super bright green look. I also did a e.l.f. and JaaackJack makeup tutorial that was super fun, and I also did a rainbow look. I think that video's already, yeah, that video's already up. I did a rainbow look. That was really fun. But the palette I wanted to mention is the e.l.f. and JaaackJack palette. I know that this is sold out, so I'm so sorry to like share this and you guys can't get it because it's sold out. But I am giving away one of these in my videos, so if you haven't entered that, hurry up and enter. So I will leave it linked below, or linked in the cards. Why do I keep saying below? I will leave it linked in the cards. So go enter that giveaway if you want to win this palette right here. But I've just been loving all of the bright, fun, crazy colors. I feel like this palette, like in particular, has just inspired me so much to want to explore and play around with different colored looks. So I've been obsessed with this palette and I think it's super, super awesome. And I actually did a more natural look with this palette. I didn't do a tutorial on it, but I was just wearing it the other day. I did this color, which is called BFF. I did BFF all over the crease, and then I used mac and cheese on the lid, and then I used a little bit of Alien mixed in with 23 on the inner corner of the eye, and it was a very subtle look, and it wasn't too like crazy or over the top. It was kind of more little bit natural type of look. I've just been having so much fun with color lately, you guys. I think it's like the season changing because it's like springtime. So do you guys change your makeup as well, like with the seasons? Like, are you guys wearing more colorful makeup now because it's spring? Well, let me know in the comments. Another makeup product that I've been loving, like absolutely loving, and I know I actually mentioned this in a favorites video already, but I had to talk about it again. It is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Beige. This is a fantastic, full coverage, beautiful foundation. Like when I wear this, I feel like I don't even look like I have pores. Like my skin looks like plastic. Perfect Barbie doll plastic. It's amazing and it's so comfortable on the skin. I do have dry skin and it wears very, very comfortably on my skin. So just letting you guys know if you have a similar skin type as me. And the primer that I have been using a lot, I've been testing this out and I wasn't sure how I felt about it at first, but this is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition primer, and At first I was like, oh, I don't know if I like it. I feel like with some foundations, it kind of peels up around my nose area. But with the Milani, I think it's a beautiful match. It does have a matte finish, but it's like a unique matte because you apply it and it feels and kind of looks dewy, but it sets as like a matte. I don't know, it's pretty unique. Feels very comfortable and hydrating even though it's matte. It's like a hydrating primer. And my foundation, especially like paired with the Milani, I think it looks beautiful together. Again, no pores. That's honestly all the makeup that I have to share with you guys. I do have some skincare to share with you. So my favorite cleanser has been the Derma E Hydrating Cleanser. I know that I've talked about this in the past, but this has always been my go-to cleanser out of all the Derma E products that I talk about because I love so many Derma E products. But out of all of them, I always go back to the Hydrating Cleanser. It's just like my go-to. It's so gentle on the skin. It does a really great job cleansing the skin without stripping it of all of the natural oils, like and making your skin feel really dry and tight. I hate that feeling. And it also takes off your makeup so well. Even like your waterproof mascara, this does it all. So I had to do a little shout out to my Derma E cleanser. I got this product, look, I just wanted to show you because it looks kind of cool when it's separated, but you're supposed to shake it. This is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. They're not kidding when they say ultra fine. Like, I have never experienced a mist this fine. Like, I will spray it and I almost don't even feel it being sprayed on my face. But oh my gosh, the smell. That watermelon smell is just amazing. Their whole watermelon line from Glow Recipe is just thebomb.com. But this is so nice. It really doesn't even feel like, you know, when you spray something, you can feel the little like drops of water. You really can't even feel the drops of water with this. Like, I will just keep spraying and you can't feel it. It's so fine. I could literally sit here all day and just do this because it smells amazing. I'm not quite sure what it does for my skin, to be honest, but I just love the way it feels and I love the way it smells. That's why it made it to my favorites. What is this supposed to even do? Hydrating, glowing radiance. I guess so. I don't really know. I just love spraying this. Oh, it just feels so nice. Oh, I guess that is the hydrating part, right? But it smells amazing. Let's talk about hair growth vitamins. I have been obsessed with the St. Tropica hair growth vitamins. I mentioned this in my 4-month hair update video. If you missed that, I'll leave it linked in the cards. My hair has been growing a lot faster than normal. This is not my real hair in case you're new to my channel. This is a wig. But my natural hair has been growing a lot faster thanks to these vitamins, so I am going to continue taking them and I will keep you guys updated, but I've been really liking these way more than the Sugar Bear hair gummies. Like, are you kidding me? Those were they were tasty, don't get me wrong, they were tasty, but they like did nothing. Like, they're just so gimmicky, and I kind of thought this might be gimmicky as well, but it's actually working. It's actually working, and it's cruelty-free and vegan. The Sugar Bear hair gummies were not vegan, so I definitely like this option a lot better. So I'm gonna keep on using these. I'm really happy with them. How can I forget to mention the wig? This has definitely been a favorite throughout the month of March. Like I mentioned in my hair update video, my hair, like some days I look at it and I'm like, ugh, it's so awkward, I can't stand it. So this has been my go-to. I throw this on all the time. Even if I'm not wearing makeup or not like looking my best, I put this on because I feel so much better with it, like going out running errands. I love this wig. It's so comfortable, it looks so natural, and even like when I tuck it behind my ears, I feel like it still looks really natural. I don't know, I'm just obsessed with this. Like, I can't get over it. This is from wigs.com and I do have a coupon code for you guys, so I will leave that linked below if you want to get yourself a wig. This is the Ivana wig from Renee of Paris, and it's in the shade Mochaccino. Why do I keep saying Mochaccino? Mochaccino LR. I'm obsessed. And I have a favorite book to share with you guys. I haven't finished it yet, but it's a book that I've had for a long time, and I just started rereading it again with Johnny, and it is dun, 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 The 5 Love Languages. I feel like this book is an absolute must-have if you are in a relationship, a serious relationship, and you want it to last. This is the book you need to read, seriously. It talks about what the 5 different love languages are and how we can communicate to our partner's specific needs, because we're all different people. We all have a different language we speak as far as how we receive and feel love. So this book is super helpful, and especially like me and Johnny, I feel like we are complete opposites sometimes. So that's why we wanted to grab this book, and we read it before bed. I mean, we haven't read that much. We're on chapter 5 right now, so we kind of take our time with it, but we have been rereading this and it's been super awesome. And I feel like every time we do read this book, because years ago when I first bought this book we were reading it together, but I feel like every time we sit down together and read this book and like pick it back up, it allows us to grow closer and we understand each other so much more. So highly recommend this book if you are in a relationship. Even if you're not in a relationship, honestly I feel like these are good things to know, just how to love and treat other people, because we all don't speak the same love language. And love doesn't always have to be a romantic thing. It could be your love towards your family, your friends, whatever it may be. So yeah, I take that back. I recommend this book for everybody. And now before I go, I have my favorite YouTuber of the month and then my favorite song of the month. So first let's talk about favorite YouTuber. I honestly don't remember how I came across her channel and how I subscribed. I just was subscribed to her. So first, my favorite YouTuber of the month has been Everyday Heidi. I have been obsessed with her videos, especially her super colorful makeup tutorials. She does amazing looks. That's probably another reason why I'm so into colored eyeshadow lately, is because I've been watching her videos a lot. So I really enjoy her videos and seeing her techniques and how she does her eyeshadows and her makeup tutorials and all that kind of stuff. I think she makes really awesome makeup tutorial videos and I just love the looks that she comes up with. So if you haven't checked out her channel yet and haven't subscribed, I highly recommend you do. I will leave her linked in the cards and the description box for you guys. So go check her out and tell her JaaackJack sent you and JaaackJack says hi and all that good stuff, so that way she knows that the little flower family is giving her some love. My favorite song of the month, I know you guys have all heard Ariana Grande's 7 Rings song, right? Like that one's just super popular and it's going around. Well, I have that's been a favorite song, but a different version of that song. Our Last Night actually did a cover of 7 Rings and I love it so much more. And Johnny and I have been listening to it a lot in the car lately. I just think it's a really fun, it's a fun take on the song, honestly. So you like a little rock, like a little screamo, go check out that song. I just think that version is like more my style and my taste rather than Ariana Grande's version. I mean, no hate on her, but that's just like not really my style of music. So yeah, I like Our Last Night singing it better. Alright, I think that is about it for my March favorites. My battery is about to die, so I gotta make this outro quick. But thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me. Let me know in the comments what have been some of your favorite products throughout the month of March, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!